In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube profile picture in 2020 and beyond without using your computer. So you can do this on your iPhone or on your Android device. So what you want to do, you want to open YouTube and you want to go to your profile. So when you open YouTube, it's going to look like this. You want to click on your profile icon and click on your channel. Then next up, you want to click on the edit icon, which is right there, or the settings icon. And then next up, you want to click right there on the three little dots and click on help and feedback. Now next up, you can actually describe your issue. So you can type in profile picture or like profile, and then you will see manage your channel icon. So click right there on manage your channel icon. And then next up, they're going to take you to a support page. And then on here, you can actually click on Google account settings, click on just once, and then right there, you can actually change your icon. So you can do that by clicking right there, and then you can upload a photo. Now I'm just going to go through my files. Let's see if I can actually find a photo. Now I can just select a random picture. Let me just go with, let's see. I'll just go with this right there, which is a random photo. And that's exactly how you can actually change your YouTube profile picture on your phone. And this works on Android and also on iOS. So let me just do this. Let me just zoom in a bit. And then I can pretty much click right there. And let's just wait. It's gonna update right now. And there you go. I just uploaded a new profile picture to my account without using my computer. I just did that with my phone, and you can do this as well. As you can see right there, it actually worked. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button right now. I would appreciate that. That's all I'm gonna ask for in return. So yeah, that's it. Smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.